Hi. This is me and Mia again.
Hello.
Which is Shazzmia Brooks. Dun, dun, dun. Anyway, we're gonna have breakfast. Thinking of cooking a nice sheep. Just go catch it first. Catch it. Catch the fat one.
Which one's that?
That one. The one that you were chasing. The one that's pissing.
Oh, it's peeing.
Catch it. She's not gonna catch it. Leave some nothing at my door. Take a whole lot of medication to realize what we used to have. We don't have it anymore.
Wait, I just realized something. I can't catch a sheep. Let's go catch some chickens instead.
Hell yeah. But the chickens are scary. See? Come on. Let's go out into the outback.
Wait, there are more chickens?
This is the outback.
I just realized something.
You stepped in shit. Okay, we're gonna show. Shut up. We're gonna show you the best day ever. Okay, over that she's my dad's friend is here, so that's scary.
That's familiar.
Okay, I got itchy ear. Okay, as you can see, this used to be a murdering lab. Not really. Okay, that wire on that tree
Hung somebody who did.
A dead retard. And oh my god, the retard was like scary. Okay. Oh my god. Mia?
What?
Do you see what I just see?
What? Oh my gosh. I found a cat.
Okay.
This is gonna be epic. Now, let's go find this cat. Haven't found it yet, still going, okay. Still going. Oh my god, I found it! Look how sexy it is. Apparently it's Spider-Man as well. Hello, strange little one. What planet do you come from?
I'm meant to be chasing you?
She found a ball. Oh, damn it, the cat found a ball of yarn.
Pole dancing cat. No, jokes, not pole dancing, it's basketball. Tracing skills. Hoping that I'll get this.
Wap, 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 wow.
Shut up. Okay. Can we edit that? Here's the camera. Here you go, bro. As you can see, we found a retard hiding in the bushes in my backyard. She made She's a ninja. The fuck? Let's get a closer look at this animal. We gotta be quiet, because it might be deadly. Like that plant. Down, down, down. Oh shit. Shit, nearly spotted us. As you can see. Oh fuck. As you can see, it is chasing me. It's out of ordinary. Pause for the camera. Good girl. Okay. As you can see, that is what you can find. Purple? Yes. In the outback.
Okay, the backyard.
What?
The big backyard.
This is a big backyard.
This is a big
We're going to show you around a little more because there's a bit more. Shit. While we're getting our breath, we'll show you good features of this crappy old car with pigeon shit on it. Pigeon shit.
Isn't it gorgeous? It's like a big splatter of stuff. Okay, now let's see if we can find something interesting. Interesting. Okay. Rock rope. Tree. Fence. And here, it looks like a bed. Wakey, wakey.
I was not snoring!
Oh, shit.
Oh, bitchy. Okay, like, yeah, give me that. Grass. Yeah, you did not see me snoring. I don't snore.
I'm sorry, Sharon, but everybody did. Now it's viral to the whole world.
No! Okay, I don't really care. Yeah, it was fake. Tree! Person! Tree. And now person. Tree. Person. Tree. Person. Tree. Person. Tree. Person. Tree. Person. Okay, she sucks at acting. Okay. I'm sorry, girl, but you do. Okay.
Okay, fine, then this is my tree.
I am like the best actor ever. Oh shit, she is good! It almost looks like a real tree. Woo! Good acting, man! Good tree. Oh, she's even got leaves. Shit, that looks better than a real tree. Don't throw shit at me.
Excuse me, but it was my molting. Don't leave.
Oh my god, Mia. Look what I found.
What'd you find? A peacock?
A trampoline. But I'm not going on it because there's venomous.
Don't say it.
Spiders. Okay, acting people. Best acting. Don't go over that fence. Selfies. Okay, I'm over it. As you can see, I'm going to ditch the person as she goes into the wild. Okay? She's going to check on all the other animals while I show you around. Piss off, man! Ninja hug!
Never saw it coming.
Yeah, I saw you running up to me. As everyone can see, I love Luca Brooks. You're crazy, man.
I'm half South African. You're full. Sure I am. I want to be allowed country. Without a permit, saying if I would like to.
See? You can clearly tell that I love Luke Brooks. Luke Brooks! It's mine.
I don't want him.
Mine.
I don't want him.
I can't do two. I'm holding the camera. Okay. Clearly you can see the I in I.
There's only one I and I.
Shut up. Live
Oh, concrete.
on a bam bam.
Oh my god, giant spider web.
Where?
I'm not kidding, that actually is really big. No, there.